Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to put ads on your YouTube videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, I'm going to show you two ways to turn on ads on your video. The first way is to use the YT Studio app. Now I am going to open the YT Studio app and select the video that I want to turn on monetization for. Now that I have selected the video that I want to turn on monetization on, I am going to select the edit icon and select the option with the $sign and turn on monetization on that video. And I'm going to select the ads that I want to be displayed on my video. And then I'm going to click on save, so the ads is turned on for this video. And that's it for step number 1. Now I'm going to show you how to turn on ads another way. The second way to turn on ads on your phone is to use the Google Chrome app. Now I am going to search studio.youtube.com. Now that I am in the YT Studio page, I am going to select the option content and I'm going to select the video that I want to turn on ads for. So I'm going to click the $sign icon and turn on ads. Now if the video is 8 minutes or more, you can choose to put mid-roll ads. So now I am going to click on the monetization icon for this video and I am going to add some mid-roll ads. Now I am going to click on the option manage mid-rolls. Now I am going to click on ad break to add any amount of ads that I want to put in this particular video, and I can also select where I want to place the ads. Also, the longer the video, the more ads you can add in that particular video. Now I am going to click on save and I'm going to go to my YouTube channel to check if ads are playing on my video. Ads are playing on this video, so if you guys find this video helpful on how to add ads on your YouTube video, leave a comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you're new. Until next time, stay safe.